Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can play Team Fortress 2 on PS4 in 2023. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, first of all, go ahead, access your computer and simply type in playstation.com and get into their official website. So right over here, if you have been wondering whether you can play Team Fortress 2 or not, so for that all you have to do is first of all go to this search icon on top and simply type in Team Fortress 2 and search it up. So if you do that, we do have this plenty of search results coming up over here. But if we go through all of this, we do have this FIFA Ultimate Team, FIFA 2, etc. But if we go to this games section, we do have this available just in the final ship, etc. But now if you would like to go through all of the search results, we cannot see the Team of Fortress 2. So whether it is possible to play on PS4 or PS5 and PlayStation, unfortunately it is not, because it is just not available. It was never boarded here on PlayStation. That's why the release is also nowhere to be seen for it, and you cannot unfortunately play on PS4. You have to go through other access. That is it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.